In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a private window in Brave, including the Tor option. Whether you want a quick way to browse without saving history or you're looking for an extra layer of privacy with Tor, I'll walk you through 3 easy methods and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, let's use the menu inside Brave. With the browser open, look to the top right corner for the menu icon, which appears as 3 lines or 3 dots depending on your version. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose New Private Window. If you want Brave to route your traffic through the Tor network for additional anonymity, click New Private Window with Tor instead. The private window will open in a distinct theme so you can tell it apart from your regular windows. The Tor option may take a moment to connect, and that's normal because it's establishing a secure route. If you prefer speed, there's a keyboard shortcut for a standard private window. Press Shift plus N and Brave will immediately open a private window. This is handy when you don't want to reach for the mouse. Keep in mind that shortcuts can vary by system and keyboard layout. So if it doesn't work as expected, double-check your Brave settings or try the menu method. On Windows, you also have a quick taskbar shortcut. Find the Brave icon on your taskbar, right-click it, and select New Private Window. This is perfect when you want to start private browsing even before opening a regular Brave window. A quick note on what private means in Brave. Private windows don't save your browsing history, cookies, or form data after you close them. Downloads and bookmarks you create will still be kept, and websites, your internet provider, or your workplace network may still see activity. If you choose New Private Window with Tor, Brave routes your connection over the Tor network, which can better mask your IP address and add more layers of privacy. Just remember that Tor can be slower due to the way it relays your traffic. To recap, you can open a private window from the menu at the top right by using the Shift plus N shortcut for a standard private window, or by right-clicking the Brave icon on your Windows taskbar and choosing New Private Window. Close the private window when you're done to end the session and clear temporary data. That's it. Simple, fast, and more private browsing in Brave whenever you need it.